Should is an expectation. Try this on. I really want you to try this on. How many of you create expectations for other people? Raise your hand. Think of one person you create an expectation for. Comma. Never share the expectation with them. Comma. When they don't fulfill the expectation that they know nothing about, who are you upset at? How is that sane? It's not. It's ridiculous. It's the only reason, right? Pay attention. The only reason why you allow yourself to get upset, listen to my words. The only reason why you allow yourself to get upset is because you create expectations in your mind for people, situations, and things that have nothing to do with reality. Then when those expectations only created in your mind are not fulfilled, you're upset and you don't even realize you do that all to yourself. And the reason why is because when you're 3 years old, you've been programmed the wrong way. We're doing it all the time. You've been programmed when somebody said to you, I want you to share, and you go, I don't want to share, I don't like to share, I don't know why you're teaching kids to share, it's silly, it's crazy. And then you go, no, it's like, well, why don't you tell him how he made you feel when you didn't share? Or tell her how she made you feel when you said those words. The kids are being, so other people can make us feel a certain way. Why do you think there's depression? Because you've been programmed from so young that you have no say over your emotions. And the reality of it, out there you will be upset. The reality of it, nobody's ever made fun of you. Nobody's ever said mean things to you. People say words to you. You hear them, process them, interpret them, give them meaning, and react and respond in a millisecond and don't even realize that you did that, and then you have no other choice but to blame everybody else. So try on. Anytime you get upset from this point on, it's real simple. What expectation did I create for that person? How many of you have set expectations on the parents of the kids? They'll pick up their kids on time. They'll say IVs. They'll read your reports. They won't show up they won't drop their infant taco off with the full diaper. And you have these expectations, and now when they don't fulfill the expectations only existing in your mind, you respond differently to them. How is that fair to them? It's not.